Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. My name is Akib and here I share with you some amazing automation ideas by which you can fast pace your working and streamline your business processes. And here in this video, I would like to show how you can use form responses to create issues in Jira application automatically. So guys, Jira is a very famous project management application and an issue in Jira refers to a piece of work which you can create and assign to any of your team member. Okay, so manually creating and assigning issues in Jira is very repetitive and time consuming issue. So here let me show you how this automation is going to help you in this. So guys, the flow of this automation is going to look like this. Here we have created a form by using Formstack application. In place of Formstack, you can use any other form building application like JotForm or Google Forms as well. Okay, so here I have created a form, and as and when any person is going to fill the form and the details of a task or a user story or a issue or a query from customer or client or lead, the same issue is going to be created here in Jira application automatically. You need not to manually copy and sort out the details of the issue and then create here manually one by one and assign it to your team. It is going to happen automatically and it will surely save a great amount of time and manual efforts of you, and it will improve your productivity as well. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to start setting up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And on this page, guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So guys, here I have given the name to this workflow as create issues in Jira using form responses via Formstack forms. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things. First, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So guys, the trigger here is the event, is the happening of an event which is going to start or trigger this workflow. And the action would be the response towards that trigger. So as in our use case, the trigger would be form submission received from Formstack form, and the action towards that trigger would be to create an issue with the help of that data that you have received from the form submission. Okay, so guys, first of all, you have to set up your trigger here. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application, which is Formstack, right? So search for Formstack here. Here it is, select it, and here you have to select the trigger event as new form submission. Then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection and then click on connect with Formstack. Okay, so it can bring you to the login window of Formstack if you are not logged in, but I have already logged in here in Formstack applications, so it is just asking me to provide the required access. Okay, so you have to provide these two access. So just click on authorize and you will be connected with Formstack like this. Okay, we are connected now, and now it is asking which form you want to use for this purpose. So this is my Formstack applications dashboard. Let me show you. Okay, and here I have these forms created. Okay, so these are the 4 forms I have created via Formstack, and I'm using this one, Jira issue form, and this is the form that I'm using. Okay, so here, let's say any person is collecting user stories or queries or any other thing from the client, okay, or the issues, right? So that person is going to fill the form. Here he's going to fill the name, the last name, okay, of the, let's say, the team member to whom you want to assign the issue. Here he is going to put the email address of that person, and here it will summarize the issue in these 3 fields. Okay, and he's going to submit that form. So the task of this person is only this: he have to submit the form, and a issue is going to be created in Jira automatically. Okay, so we are going to connect this form first here. So select your form from this drop down list. This is my form, Jira issue form. Then click on save and send test request, and it will start showing this waiting for the response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission, or this means you have to fill this form here, as a demo issue. Okay, you have to fill the details of a demo issue, and we are going to fetch the details out from this form response here in Pabbly Connect, and with the help of that data only we are going to move forward. Okay, so let me fill the details here. Let's say I'm putting this is my team member's name. Okay, and this is the email address. Okay, description of the issue. So let's say the description is mapping not working. Okay, so here I'm putting the summary as there is an issue in mapping the data received from Formstack application, let's say. Okay, so this is a demo issue I'm creating. Let the organization's name be Magnet Brains. Okay, right, now I'm going to submit the form, and you can see the form is submitted successfully. Let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this form submission, and here you can see it's still waiting, and here is the form submissions responses we get here. Okay, so it is showing us the values like this: the name of the person, and the email, and the issues, and the description, and the summary. Okay, so we got all the details here. Now with the help of these details only, I'm going to create an issue in Jira. So here you have to connect Jira application in this actions tab. So from this choose app feed, search for Jira software. Okay, and here in this action event you have to select create issue option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Jira software. Okay, so it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in, but I think I have logged in Jira, so it is going to ask for a few permissions, I think. Okay, so it is asking access to your Atlassian or Jira's account, so you have to click on accept here. Okay, and in a few moments you will be connected with Jira like this. Okay, so we are now connected, and now it is asking the base URL of your Jira project, the project's name, the issue type, the summary, description, and all the things. Okay, so guys, the base URL would be this only. It is automatically selected here. It is going to be automatically selected like this. You need not to do anything here. And from this project field, you have to choose the name of your project. So this is my Jira application, and here I have these projects. You can see Black Hole, Error Fixing, Soft Pabbly Connect project, or I have these projects. So let's say I want to select this project, Error Fixing project. Okay, so guys, let me select this project from this field here in Pabbly Connect's workflow, which is Error Fixing. Okay, right, after that it will ask for the issue type. So here in the issue type, you can select the issue type as subtask, story, bug, epic, whatever you want. So I am selecting task here, and here in the summary I am going to map the data that I have received from my form in the first step. Okay, so this is the summary and the description I have received. So I'm going to map this label, this value label, I'm going to map here in the summary section. So to map it, you just have to click here, and you will find this Formstack option in the drop down, and when you click here you will find all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only I'm going to map this label as a summary. In the description, I'm going to put the description from this label. Okay, you can select the priority of this task, low, medium, high, lowest. I'm making it medium. You can put a label if you want to put a label to this task. Okay, and here you can assign any team member to your task. Okay, so I'm assigning Ashmita Mandal to this task. Okay, and now you can check your connection with Jira by clicking on save and send test request, and a new issue will be created here in this project. So let me open issues section here. This is the issues section. Okay, right, and here let me click on save and send test request, and it is showing this kind of response here. It is showing us an ID. This means a new issue is created in Jira. Let me show you. Okay, and here you can see we got a new issue here. Mapping not working is the title of this issue, and you can find out the description here as well and all the details. Here you can see the assignee's name, and your team can work on this issue right here in this project. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation. Let me give you a quick recap. So first of all, I connected Formstack in the trigger application, selected the form, filled the form as a demo issue, and get the data here. After that, in the actions tab, I connected Jira software and selected the project, issue type, and map the data like this to create an issue in Jira. So when you map the data like this, whenever someone, your team member who is fetching the client issues in the form is going to fill the form, this data is going to change accordingly, according to the summary and the description, and a new issue will be created. So after setting up this automation once, you don't have to do anything after that. After that, let me show you a real-time example how it is going to work. So I'm opening my form again. Okay, let me open it. Okay, and let me refill this form with a different name. Let's say the name is Abhishek now, who is our client, Mr. Abhishek Tiwari, and this is the email ID of this person, and the issue is titles are not clear. Okay, so here the summary of the issue would be, so here I have written this issue summary as the titles of the content you sent me is not clear enough. Okay, and so this is the issue of this person, and I'm submitting this form here. Okay, so you can see the form is submitted. Now let me show you directly in Jira if we got a new issue created. Okay, so here I am in my Jira software. Let me refresh this section, and here you can see a new issue is created automatically with this title. Titles are not clear, and this is the description, this is the assignee. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. So you do not need to touch this workflow after setting up this once. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.